Topic is electric current. Definition: the rate of flow of charge is known as current.
As we know, there are two types of current in widespread use today. One is direct current, abbreviated as DC. Another is alternating current, abbreviated as AC. In DC, direct current, the electrons flow in one direction. In this diagram, we are using battery, and battery produce DC current. In this diagram, electrons are flowing from the negative terminal of the battery through the wire through the bulb to the positive terminal of the battery, and current is flowing from the positive terminal of the battery through the bulb through the wire to the negative terminal of the battery. Bulb glows as the current flows through it.
The definition was the rate of flow of charge. Now question arises, what is charge? Electric charge is the physical property of the matter that causes matter to experience a force when matter is placed in an electromagnetic field, clearly shown in this figure. By the definition of electric charge, as it is a physical property of the matter. Now, what is matter? Definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and taken up space. For example, refrigerator, fan, cooler, aluminum wire, copper wire. Basically, we are using copper wire for electrical connection at our premises. Classification of matter. Matters can be classified into two types: pure substance and impure substance. Pure substance. Definition: a pure substance is a substance that is made up of just one chemical element or compound, while impure substance is made up of two or more elements or compounds that are not bonded together chemically. Element is a substance made up of same type of atoms, whereas a compound is made up of different elements in different proportion. The examples of elements are hydrogen, carbon, iron, etc. Examples of compounds are ammonia and water. Elements are further classified into four categories: metals, non-metals, metalloids, noble gases.
Metals are those elements which are likely to lose their electron. So, metals are good conductor of electricity. For example, aluminum wire, copper wire, silver, etc. all are come under this category. Non-metals. Non-metals are those elements which are likely to gain electrons. They are not good conductor of electricity. For example, sulfur. Metalloids. Metalloids are elements which possesses the quality of metals as well as non-metals. We can say it as semi-metals. Noble gas. Example of noble gas is helium. These are the classifications of elements. Now let us look at the definition of element again. We find that an element is a substance that is made from one type of atom. Now the question arises, what is atom? An atom is the smallest constituent unit of ordinary matter that constitutes a chemical element. Atom consists of compact nucleus of protons and neutrons and electrons. We can see it in the diagram as shown. This is proton, this is neutron, and it forms our nucleus. We can see here electrons are revolving around it. Now it is clear the electrons are flowing, and because of these electrons the electricity
Produced. This is all about electric current. Thank you.